Hello guys, so today's Saturday and we're gonna go to the falls, and now we're stopping at the first stop, which is coffee first. Yes. Okay guys, so what I got is I got ice white mocha as always. What you got, boy?
White chocolate.
I mean, yeah, you white. Okay guys, so let's see. Taste our coffee for the first. Yum. What about yours, sir? Would you give a rate from 1 to 10?
Honestly, I'd give them a 10. Honestly, I'd give them a 10.
10. Me, I go 8. 6 out of 10. You know, you gotta go hard sometimes, you know. Hey guys, so we are like 10 minutes away from the Super Bowl. Oh, hello beautiful people. Guess what? We have just arrived at our destinations. We're gonna park and then we're gonna show you guys around. Okay? I am excited, even though I've been here like a million times. I can say myself is like what? But yeah, let's just find parking lots and then see you guys around. Okay?
You guys are
Yes, we are here at the falls. It's the falls, guys. We're gonna be coming from the top. Show you guys from up.
I felt like I was doing something.
So it's under, guys. So people usually orang-orang ke bawah situ. What are you doing? Guys, this usually is so slippery, but I guess we're going down until we're gonna hit it to there. So it's exciting. Let's see. It's kind of more fun when you go when you go down, actually more fun, but not when you're going up. Some people they like difference, you know. They like when they goes up, they like when they goes down. It's, you know, optional, but okay, that's him with his thing. Me just doing my thing. But guys, look, barang-barang ini nih, kan tahu kah? This is like kayak di Papua kah? Saya senang sekali lihat barang-barang ini nih. Kayak rasa itu that is like mother's mall. Ini, nah ada orang-orang lagi, orang bule dong, orang-orang tuh ini dong suka sekali kesini. Di sini tuh sebenarnya ada 10 waterfalls, guys. 10, jadi kayak kita yang besar tuh baru ke bawah, 9 lagi di bawah situ. Okay, babe, give the rate, keep going. Actually, your raincoat is same color as this, no? It's a brown or red? Okay, we're almost there, guys. Kita sudah dekat dengan waterfallnya. Tadi kita di atas itu loh, guys. Oh my god. Sekarang kita di bawah. And then we're gonna go underneath. Dan kita akan di bawah ke di bawah ini air terjunnya. And then kayak kita go through underneath, baru kita kayak do like loop around. Tapi ini hijau sekali, kayak I like it so much. Something about this. Kayak tapi kalau di summer ya, kalau in the summer itu the falls like airnya tuh berkurang. Kalau this is winter, jadi fallsnya tuh airnya that volume-nya tuh high, banyak. So, lihat guys. Ini orang-orang ini nih, orang bule dong ada di sini. Lihat saya bule, orang bule ada di sini. Kayaknya kita. Sorry. Oke guys, ini ada option juga ke sana. Kita bisa ke bawah situ, kita ke sana. Tapi kan kita masuk ke bawah, underneath. Nah, baru kita ke. Ini ada waterfall kecil guys. The heck? Lihat guys, lihat deh. Tuh, tadi kita di atas itu loh. Di atas situ tadi kita naik kita ke bawah sampai ke bawah situ. Nah, sekarang nanti kita ke bawah situ baru langsung lagi. Ini tuh becek gitu. Karena kan hujan. Ini loh guys, lihat. Look at that. We were up there. Tadi kita di atas. Basah lagi jerit. Kita masuk ke bawah sini. Lihat deh. Dingin anjirit. But this is so cold. Pacarnya kenapa nih? Ayo sini. Kita masuk ke bawah kayak dia tuh apa? Percikan airnya tuh dingin. Mereka tadi tuh kita masuk di bawah. Nih kita di bawah goanya nih. Lihat deh. Masuk kita di bawah. Kalau summer tuh dia baik, enak juga, Pak. Summer tuh nanti ininya nih, tanahnya tuh merah, tau nggak? Merah. Nih kita sekarang bawa goanya tuh, lihat deh. Lihat itu macam bule dia ngapain nih? Lihat. Kita di bawah goa nih, kita jongkok ini loh. Jongkok ini. Oke. Loh, tadi kita di sana. Ini ada bapak udah depan. Udah mau duluan. Oke, duluan sudah. Nah, ini kita jalan putarin. Ini kawasan kita di bawahnya. Sekarang. Nah, ini kalau summer nih. Look at that. So we're underneath the goa now. Usually, biasanya tuh kalau summer kan panas, orang-orang datang sini hike, terus mereka tuh swim di bawah situ. Last summer juga aku kesini, mandi dari bawah situ, swim di bawah, airnya hangat enak. But sekarang so cold, you can't. Too cold. You probably don't want to try that because it's freezing right there. Look. We were there. What do you think, babe? You like it? Yeah. So we're just gonna do loop around this. Ayo teman-teman. I don't know how it. Bayangin aja kalau ini runtuh guys. Oh my god, guys. Lihat waterfall. Tadi kita di atas sana itu. We were up here, and then we were walking down past that, and now we're here. Ada bule dua orang-orang yang, oh my god, I don't wanna step on this. Close. Harus jongkok guys, kan di bawah gua tuh, lihat. So we have to jongkok at least. Be careful. Guys, kaca ini tuh suka ambil foto-foto, nggak jelas. But look at that. Kita tuh tadi tuh, so we slept kayak decided kayak jam 9 pagi loh. Okay, let's go to waterfalls out of nowhere. Tuh. But last decision is always the best, you know. But yeah guys, lihat. Tadi kita di atas itu loh, ya Allah. But yeah, but this is winter, so But every term, every season, so I'm gonna be coming out here and show you guys around, like how the water volume is gonna be changing so much. Like depends on the weather, you know. But guys, if you guys follow, like go all the way down there, this is like another 9 falls. Like there is winter falls and like 9 more. This one, the biggest one. But yeah, I don't think we're going visit all of them for today because we have another plan after this. But yes, I'll keep you guys updated next time when I come around and visit all the waterfalls. I'm gonna be showing you guys around. And this is another, ini ada waterfall yang kecil. But this is just for fun, I guess. Web, what you gonna do? You wanna what? Be careful. Hey. What you were gonna do? Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna climb that trees. No, that's slippery. Hey. Kayak jadi ini kan jadi kayak istri takut suami. But okay. Alright. Ready? Oke, dia mau ambil foto. Terus dia makin ini des. Oke, sekarang guys, kita putar dari atas ke bawah. Ke bawah situ. Now we're going back up stairs. So much tiring, but it's fun. Okay guys, see you guys up. Okay guys, now we almost up. Kan kita udah balik lagi ke atas. Tadi kita di bawah situ dong, all the way down there. Yeah, now we go back up. See. Pantai Gode lagi. Bocah ada aja lagi. Duh. Guys. Ini another spot untuk kalau biasanya they put some the history about this place. So they provide it right there so people can read. There's another spot. What you wanna do? You wanna take a picture? Ada aja bocahan tinggalnya.
Just be natural. Don't look at it.
Now
we gotta restart it. Come on. Gotta be natural.
Oh, okay. Bocah ada aja lagi yang jerit. Okay guys, sekarang this is kalau ini ada South Falls viewpoint maple so it's just like what is it called in this directions to and then tadi kita di situ, that's the waterfalls and we're going back up. So that's it for today guys, and we're gonna show you guys around for the ada bule lagi dengan dia anjing. Orang-orang sini suka anjing. So like itu kayak this is like untuk gift store kayak like really nice place. But yeah, see you guys soon. Guys, kan kita udah di dalam ini. Masuk ke dalam. Let's see how it looks like inside. Okay. Ini anjingnya gonggong jelas. Ini guys, ini tempat coffee-nya di dalam. Sangat warm sekali. Nah ini ada tempat duduknya. Wah, untuk kayak hangat-hangatan gitu loh. Itu coffee shopnya guys. Oh, ini ada orang-orang bule-bule banyak sih. Orang-orang tua biasanya suka. Aduh enak ya. Relaksasi dulu. Warm sekali, enak. That's a picture of Hi guys, okay guys.
Okay,
We just
guys.
got out from the store, thrift store, bukan?
The cafe.
The cafe, yeah. Now we are walking to the car. So thank you guys for following us on the journey to go to waterfalls. For today's Saturday, and I'll see you guys on the next trips. Yes.